Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Sudoku Heavy. Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, February the 24th, 2023. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, told you earlier, it's exactly 1 year ago. Exactly 1 year. Yeah, 1 year ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Well, 1 year war. When will the peace come back? Yeah, when will the peace come back? All right. Sudoku Heavy. This will be number 6015. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, Sudoku Heavy, I've already counted 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. We have 1 1. We have here 4 twos. Alright. We have here 3 threes. 4 fours. Alright. 2 fives. 3 sixes. 2 sevens. 1 8 and 5 nines. Well. So the the twos, the fours, and the nines are a majority. Question is, can I start with the nines? Well, don't think so. I need more information. Yeah. How about the fours? Let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well, cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the 2s then? Yeah, the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2. Well, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 9 now? 9, the 9. Nope. How about the 4 now? Okay, 4 in this column. 4 in the 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here for second row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And now I can count. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Go back to the 9 now. 9 in this column. Last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 9, okay, 9 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait again. We have the 2. Let me see the 2. 2 need to wait again. Okay, so need to find another number. How about the 6 in the last row? 6 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column? No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. We'll need a 6 here. 6 6. Okay, 6 6. Here. 6 6 6. 6 6 here. Yeah. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay, so we have 6 6 6 6 6 6. Okay, 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. The 2 also need to wait. The 9 also need to wait. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, 3 3. 3 3 3. Need to wait again. Well, 6 6 6 6. Okay, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 here in this column, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 1 and 8, 7 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 187 means we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 187. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1 6 7 8. 178, 178, 178. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 1. Wait. Then 2. 2, 6. Yeah, I'm thinking 6, 6. 2, 6 and 8. 2, 6 and need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. 1, 8, 7. Okay. 1, 8 and 3. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in middle column? So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 to be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. We need a 7 here. Okay. Then, how about the 9? The 9 still cannot fill this yet. No. But the 2, then 2, 2, 2. No. Still, the 2 cannot fill this yet. No. Yeah. But the 5 then. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. No. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have a pair. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 8. So we have 8 in... Oh, wait. Need to wait. Let me... Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes 8 with the 8 and the 7. We already have an 8 here in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we have 8 in the 3rd column, 8 in the 1st column. So the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. 1 and... now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? Let me see the number 6 and 6 and a 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the 2nd row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah. Need to wait again. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the 3rd row, 6 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the 2nd column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay, 5, 5. 1, 5. And the 3 is missing. 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 1. 5, 5. 3 could be everywhere. 5 and a 3. Okay. 3. 3, 3. 1, 3, and 9. Yeah. 1, 1. Come on. So the 1 should be here, okay. Well, these 1 and 3. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Do we have all the 7s? And no, the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the middle row. Sorry, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see. These are number 4, number 5. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, because I've indicated this one with 3 stars. And for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. I've enjoyed this puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.